Hi, Sparkles here, and today I'm going to show you how to draw your very own cartoon characters. Today we're going to do a dog and a kitty. And I can hear you thinking, oh, but I can't draw. And I am here to say, yes, you can. I'm going to take you step by step. It's going to be so easy. So all you need today for today's art lesson is a piece of paper. I'm just using copy paper and a pencil. You do not need an eraser at all because we're going to be doing what's called artist renderings, which is very light sketches with pencil, and there's no erasing because there's no mistakes. So we're going to start with our doggy today, and we're going to start with his nose. So you're going to draw an oval right in the center of your page, about 2/4 width wide. And the way you're going to do it is you're going to use your whole arm, and you're just going to lightly sketch several ovals. They're not all going to be right on top of each other. And then you're going to stop, and you'll have an oval in the middle of your paper. And then, because dogs have longer snouts, we're going to give some depth to this drawing. We're going to make an upside down, or a rainbow right over his nose, starting at the edge of the nose and coming over, just like so. And because he's got a longer snout, we're going to do another one right above it, and then another one not quite as big, right over, for a total of 3. And now you're going to lock, what's called locking in the nose. So you're going to pick the oval that you like best, and you're just going to darken it up. Now, for the purposes of the video, I'm going to go over it with a Sharpie so you can really see it. So once you lock it in, the other lines will fade away, and once you color them, you can't even see them. Alrighty, so next to the rainbows, you're going to do an eye, and we're going to do an oval just like we did on the nose, about the same size, but you're going to go where it's up and down, not horizontal. One on that side and one on the other side. And then you're going to go in and pick out the 2 ovals you like the best and lock them in. Do it with the pencil normally. Today I'm doing it with, again, the Sharpie to just make sure you can see everything nice and clear. And then we're going to do little eyebrows above the ovals. Boop, boop. And then coming underneath the nose, we're going to do an upside down rainbow to do his mouth. And they're going to be a little bit bigger than the rainbows that you did above the nose. So you're going to come down right underneath the eye, and you're just going to draw to the other eye an upside down rainbow or a wide U. And then on each of those, you're going to draw an umbrella, a little umbrella right on the end of the rainbows for his smile marks, like so. Now we're going to bring his mouth down in a bigger U right underneath, like so. We have a very happy dog. But he kind of looks like a ghost doggy right now because we haven't put the pupils in. So let's go ahead and do that. If you do them in the middle, it's going to look like he's looking directly at you. If you draw them up in the corner, it's going to be looking that way, or the opposite corner. So you get the idea. So you're just going to do a little mini oval right in the middle. I'm going to do like he's looking straight at us on both sides, and you can color them in with your pencil. All right, there, that gives him a little more personality. Now we've got to give a tongue, so we're going to make it inside his mouth. You're just going to start halfway through that bottom U and just bring it down to the center of the bottom U, and then at the 2/3 of the way up, boop, just like so. So that gives him his little tongue. All right, now we're going to do the bottom cheek. So you're going to start just in the middle of that rainbow there, and you're just going to do like a C and then a U right along the bottom of the smile, and then the opposite C, and like so, and that gives the doggy his chin. Now, coming up above, up where the eyebrows are, you're going to come down and make a C and join it right into the top of the cheek there. Same thing on the other side. Right above the eyebrow, bring it around, swing it down straight there. Okay, now we're going to give our doggy some eyes. So you're going to start above where you just did the cheeks, and you're going to bring that all the way down in like a big C and swing it out and around like you're on a big slide. Whoop, there's one ear. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to make this one poof out a little bit more, like his ears are wagging happily. And now to connect it, we're going to give our puppy some nice fur from ear to ear. So just some little fur jaggeds, and there we have our puppy dog. So now you can go ahead and color him in. So the first thing, if you want to take your pencil, you can take the side of your pencil and just color in his nose. I need to make my pencil a little longer. There we go. What did the puppy say when he sat on sandpaper? Ruff. All right, and now we're just going to color in the nose a little bit more. And you can also blacken in around the back of the mouth where the tongue isn't. And that'll make it look a little more 3D as well. And there we go. Keep going. It's a little harder to use the side of your pencil with the mechanical pencil, but you get the idea. I fill that in a little better for you. Alrighty, and there we have your very own puppy dog. So Kitty's pretty similar too. So we'll get a fresh piece of paper for our kitty. Now he looks like a boy kitty, so the next one we're going to do is the girl kitty. So we'll just put him over there. And now the kitty, to start off, you're going to do an upside down triangle right in the middle, kind of like you did the oval. About the same size. Just do several and use your whole arm. Okay, now we're going to give her some circles for the eyes instead of ovals. I think it helps her makes her look a little bit cute. Oh, we will do one rainbow right above the nose because Kitty's nose has come out a little bit, but not as much as the dog. We don't need 3, just 1 is good. So now you're going to do the ovals on either side of the nose and rainbow. And then for the mouth, you're going to come to the bottom of the triangle and just make a little, oops, there goes my pencil. That's a nice thing about mechanicals. And you're just going to come down with a J. And oop, my whole pencil lead fell out. That's okay, I have backup. All right. So it's like a fishing hook. And then this little kitty is precocious. We're going to give her a little tongue sticking out. Just from the middle of one J to the other, and a little line coming down for the center. Now for our kitty, we're going to give her a heart-shaped face. So right about the level of the top of the nose, you're going to come down and make a big C right to the bottom of the tongue, like so. And the same thing on the other side. And connect them. There we go. Oh, that's a big, fat, cute kitty. And now we're going to go above the kitty's eyes, straight up from the inside of the eye, and you're just going to do a line out like a butterfly antenna. Same thing on the other side, from the inside of the eye up to the same level. And those aren't actually going to be antennas, they're going to be your ears. So you're going to bring down the other side like a funky triangle, whoop, like so. And then, because we're making her a girl, we're going to put a cute little bow on the inside of the kitty's ears. So you're going to do a circle in the middle, and then you're going to do another antenna coming up on either side, just like we did for the ears. And then you're going to swoop it around to the middle of the circle. And then you're going to start right at the bottom there and swoop, like so. Now we want to make this bow look 3D, so you're going to start at the top of the bow and you're just going to draw a line down. Swoop, swoop, joining it at the bottom there. And then we'll give some little lines coming off of the inner circle that just gives it like crease lines, like it's folded. So there's the kitty. Now we have to connect the fur. So we're going to give her, like we did fur up here for the dog, we're going to do that coming down for the kitty. And it's going to land right there, and same on the other side. Whoop, whoop, whoop. And now, of course, we have to give the kitty some eyes too. So we're going to do some circles for the kitty. And we're going to have her looking straight at us again. And I'm also going to lock in the eye that I like. I'm going to do that with the Sharpie so it'll show up a little better for you. There you go. And the same thing with the eye over here. Now for a kitty, we're gonna give her some eyelids and some eyelashes to help make her even cuter. So in the inner corner of her eye, you're just gonna go halfway across like so and bring it out for the eyelashes. I did 4 eyelashes here. Same thing on this side, inner corner, slide it out, keep it going past the eye, and then give her 3 more eyelashes coming up. You can give her little eyebrows too if you want. And little triangles on the inside. And you can connect the fur to the bows there. And there you have your very own kitty. Then you can color her in however you would like with crayons or magic markers or finger paints. So see how easy and fun it is to draw your very own cartoon characters? Thanks for joining me today. Have a good day.